Hi, good morning. So we are here to discuss about the cosmic conversation, right? So the space, cosmic means most related to space, right? So what is space? What does it even mean?
Space is an open area outside the atmosphere of the Earth. It has been expanding every second, and as it's expanding, people cannot calculate its size. And the galaxy, it contains a lot of things. The universe contains galaxies, stars, solar system, and a lot more things. So, space is a large area which has been expanding since its birth, from the Big Bang till now. The Big Bang, it was a
Universe.
tiny egg. Yes.
Okay.
It was a tiny egg, but then it started to. The tiny egg exploded, and the dust made up our Earth, all the planets, everything, and then
The dust accumulated and formed the planets, the stars, and everything. Okay. It was Big Bang theory actually. It started with an explosion, and it's still growing. And it's difficult to measure, but we have certain uh, certain aspect of calculation that states how big it is, but nobody can say it exact because it's every time, every second it is expanding. Okay. For me, space used to be a mystery, but long years back. Now it's every day we are exploring the space. It's an abundant opportunity for us to achieve, to explore, and to develop the equipment, the knowledge, the exploration of planets, stars, galaxies, black holes, everything the human being has achieved and going to achieve. It's really an opportunity for us to achieve something and explore the space because space is unlimited. So the opportunity never leaves. Opportunity always there to discover and explore something.
So, can you tell me about India's space journey and India's proud moments as it went from INCOSPA to ISRO?
I think Mr. Vikram Sarabhai started with InfoSpa, InSof, InCOSPA. Then Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, the then Prime Minister of India, that helped a lot to make it ISRO. So from then to now, it has been a long journey and its big developments has happened. I think you remember one photo which described that one scientist was taking a rocket in the cycle to launch it, and now we have been launching every now and then. We have many launch pads for rockets. We are launching our satellites. We are launching many programs. Mangalyaan 1, Mangalyaan 2, then Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2, and Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 2, I think, got lost because of some miscommunication, or it could not communicate in the last moment. But Chandrayaan 3 was a very big success, and it landed in the South Pole, where nobody had ever had landed any probe or any lander never landed. So it has been a great journey, but we have a long way to go. We have to achieve what others have achieved, the Russian cosmonauts and the Americans, NASA astronauts. So we have achieved a lot since the inception, and it's a big opportunity for us to develop more astronauts, develop more agencies, develop more rockets, spaceships, satellites, everything to launch to the space.
For me, as India's space journey from Mr. Vikram Sarabhai's in COSPAR to 2025 ISRO has gone a long way. As its missions, Gaganayan, Mangalayan, and also they are going to launch Shukrayan on 2028 for Venus, Chandrayaan. Like Chandrayaan 1 was success, then Chandrayaan 2 failed, then Chandrayaan 3 was a great success as you said, it landed on the South Pole. Its rover also found some traces of life as there was water. So these missions have gone a long way, had been planned a long way, have been gone a very good way, and I think India can improve. ISRO and India can improve day by day in space technology without any problem. So I can ask you one more question.
Yeah, there is very big support from the government of India. Mr. Narendra Modi has already supporting. He has been a pillar in support with expeditions and explorations and developments. So we are in right hands.
So, how is it important to you as the return of Mr. Subhanshu Shukla is when he returned, it was a proud moment for India. So, what importance is there to you?
Mr. Subhanshu Shukla is the second astronaut who went to the space after Mr. Rakesh Sharma. It was a big achievement, definitely, because the first astronaut who went from India to the ISS. There have been a lot of people from other countries, from Japan, from USA, from Russia, from other countries, but we never sent anybody from India. That is, he is the first person. He will be remembered forever because he will be remembered as the first person who went to the ISS from India. So it marks a big milestone for us, and it will encourage more and more astronauts to aspire to go to the space to explore and develop new things, develop new technologies, develop new launching pads. Okay, so it is a milestone. It is a milestone for the Indian Space Research Organization, and it's a milestone for every Indian. It's a proud moment for every Indian, and it will encourage more people to come forward and choose this option, choose this career, and try to explore and help in develop our technology, space technology.
For me, Mr. Subhanshu Shukla's return was a very big milestone for ISRO because, as you said, he was the first person to go to the ISS, International Space Station. He stayed there for 7 days.
First person from India.
Yeah, from India. So, as he went there, it's a very big milestone from ISRO, as they could first time send somebody from India to go there. He returned safely back to the Earth after 7 to 6 days.
6 to 7
days. Then the people are getting inspired by him to get more knowledge, research more, do more innovations, and help the country help everything be a proud moment for the country. So for you, what is the importance of National Space Day?
a space day which defined to celebrate the achievements we have, the achievements we have in space research and development, what we have explored in space, and the people's. It is an inspiration to everybody, for an inspiration and dedication dedicated to the people who are involved in it. And it's an honor. You can say it's an honor for the people for the scientists, for the astronauts who are involved in this exploration of space in development. And also, it inspires us and encourages us, the common people, to achieve some goals in space and take it as a career, inspired by the events and the peoples involved in it, and take it as a career and look forward
Yes.
as a proud moment. Okay, it's mostly is an honor for the peoples who are involved and the events what has happened for India, for the world.
For me, Space Day is an important day, as you said, to honor the people who have and the agencies who have invented a lot of things. As ISRO from INCOSPA to 2025, ISRO has gone a long way, and celebrating these years will commemorate and make more knowledge, more technology, and more inspirations in the future. This day inspires a lot of people for hard work, and they can easily get something powerful, or they can invent something powerful for the whole world. So this day, for me, I think it's celebrated in the first Friday of May, and it's a very significant day for agencies, lots of people who have invented, lots of people who have researched,
Involved in
it. So that's the importance of National Space Day in me. What should ISRO do next to improve their future? For you?
I think the way forward is very important because we are in a stage where if you look always positive regarding this space developments and research. We have achieved a lot in these few years, 4 to 5 years, and we are bound to achieve some more. And if I can predict something, maybe we should go for our own space station from India, because we have the Chinese space station already, Tiananmen, right?
Tiananmen.
And we have ISS, and now we need to have one space station from India. That would be great. That would be a most proud moment for us if we can have something like this, assemble a space station in there. And now that we know that the Mangalyaan is on, we are sending a probe to the sun, like NASA sent it. And we are developing more projects for the moon and for the Mars and for the other planet. I think it's
Venus.
Shukrayan.
Shukrayan is Venus. For Venus.
So Shukrayan we are doing. So we are in the right hands, and we are improving in the right direction. The only thing if we can inspire more astronauts to go to the space station or go to some other missions, go with the other missions, and develop their experience and research. Okay, and most importantly, if we can join a space station, if we can assemble a space station in the future on the sky, that would be a very proud moment for India.
For me, as India to get a step ahead, India should do like a returning rocket. Like the rocket will go in the air, release whatever it needs, and then return to the launching pad using like SpaceX did. I think India can do the same thing. In the power it has now. ISRO can do the same thing, and ISRO can also improve their research tools, and also then they can improve the technology of their landers, probes, impactors, these things. So these will be a very good step ahead for ISRO, for India, and for ISRO, and for all the people of India. And it will also help India increase in the space technology. Thank you.
Very good, Sachit. Thank you very much for the conversation. I really appreciate the knowledge you have shared with me, and have a great day.
Thank you.